Transformations, translations, reflections, and rotations. A translation is a slide of the original figure. You can translate a figure by moving each vertex horizontally and vertically. For example, we might slide this whole figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places to the right and 1, 2 places up. We might want to label our vertices. Our original might be A, point B, and point C, in which case we would rename the new figure A prime, B prime, and C prime. It just means it's the twin, but it's the translation. You could, for example, let's move this one. Let's just name our vertices A, B, and C. Let's translate our figure 4 spaces to the right and 3 spaces up. So we're going to put our pin on A, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right, 1, 2, 3 up, and we're going to call that A prime. Do the same to B. Put your pin on B, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right, 1, 2, 3 up, and we'll call it B prime. And the same for C. 4 spaces to the right, 3 spaces up, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right, 1, 2, 3 up, and then name it C prime. You'll need a ruler to connect these, and all you'll need to do is connect your vertices. And you should have an exact copy of your original figure. A reflection is a flip. It's a flip over a vertical or horizontal line. You can remember it because reflection has an FL and so does flip. In this case, you'll again want to move your vertices. Let's call these A, B, and C. Put your pin on A and jump to your line of reflection. So we jumped 1 point. Jump the same on the other side, 1 point, and put a new dot. A prime. For C, let's do C next because it's easy. Jump to your line of reflection 1, and then jump again 1 and put a dot, and that is C prime. For B, we go 1, 2, 3. So again, we'll go 1, 2, 3, and B prime. Now again, you'll need to use a ruler to connect your new vertices. Oops. And you should have a reflection over your line of reflection there. Another line, here we go. Make sure you name your vertices. Let's do A, B, and C again. Again, you'll want to count how many it is to your line of reflection. So 1 here, so go 1 on the other side and name it A prime. For B, we jump 1, 2, 3 to the line of reflection, so do the same on the other side, 1, 2, 3. We'll call it B prime. And C is on your line of reflection, so you won't have to change that one. Again, you'll need to use a ruler to connect your vertices, and you should have a reflection. A rotation simply shows a figure turned about a point. It could turn about a point actually on the figure itself, or it may say turn around a particular point, such as the origin. For example, which of the following is a rotation of this orange figure? So here's the orange figure. Let's set it next to the first one. You can see that if you rotated this around, it will never look like this first pink item. Let's try the next one. If we rotate it around, if we rotate this around, can you see that we can eventually make it look just like the second figure? So this is a rotation. And let's try the third one. If we rotate this around, we can never make it exactly match this third figure. So only this middle one is a rotation.